Hello, my precious ones. I trust we are doing well. My name is Dr. Precious and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to answer a question that I've gotten so many times. Sorry it took me so long to get back to you, but here it is. I'm going to tell you how to bleach your teeth at home, how to get whiter teeth even without going to the dentist. Anyway, you are going to need only 2 ingredients and this is going to be fast. Let's get into it. These ingredients will not cost you more than $2 to $3. You're going to get a hydrogen peroxide, 3%, and you're going to get baking soda, and then you also need a spoon and a small bowl. So what you do is get a teaspoon, measure 1 teaspoon of baking soda, add it inside the bowl. Half a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, add it inside the bowl. Mix it up into a paste. And if it's still too thick, you can add some drops of water till you get it to the consistency you are comfortable with. Now take your toothbrush, add this paste on it and begin to brush your teeth. In a circular motion, brush your teeth all over. Do it for at least 2 minutes. Continue to brush, and afterwards, rinse it out. Don't swallow it, okay? And you have to do this for about 2 to 3 times a week. Don't do it every day because you can overdo it and abrade your teeth. So 2 to 3 times a week, do this, okay? Brush and rinse. Continue till you begin to see results. And whenever you get to your desired result, you can stop, or you might start doing it maybe just once a week for maintenance. I hope this helps you. I hope this works for you. It definitely will work as long as you stay consistent. Now, as we age and as we take things, our teeth usually will get stains because of a lot of factors, including plaque, gum disease, exposure to certain things. I am in the era of the oral cavity, aka your mouth, your neck, your face, the oral cavity and everything that comes with it. Many people may not know this, but oral health is very imperative for the health of the rest of your body. There's a major link between the health of your gums and heart disease, even the health of your gums and infertility. So these things are linked, and I'm sure many people may not be aware of it, but we're going to get this awareness out there because I need my people to be healthy and to be good, okay? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow, and please drop your comment down below because I love to converse with you. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, God bless you.